Do not avoid these signs. Are you suffering from swelling in your feet and ankles, foamy urine, lost appetite, shortness of breath, or metallic taste in your mouth? It's high time to note that your kidneys may be in danger, so don't avoid it. Watch until the end and take the proper precautions on time. Our kidneys work silently to filter waste and regulate bodily fluids. However, when they begin to struggle, the signs can be subtle and challenging to recognize. It's important to be aware of these signs, as catching kidney problems early is crucial for effective treatment. Here are 12 alarming signs that might indicate a problem with your kidneys, along with what you can do to seek help and potentially prevent further damage. Number 1. Swelling in your feet and ankles. Fluid retention is a common symptom of kidney problems as they struggle to remove excess fluids from the body. This swelling can also occur in the hands and face. Number 2. Fatigue and weakness. Kidneys play a crucial role in producing red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout your body. When they are compromised, you might experience persistent fatigue and weakness. Number 3. Shortness of breath. A buildup of fluid in the lungs, a condition known as pulmonary edema, can be a serious consequence of kidney problems. This can lead to difficulty breathing, even when you are resting. Number 4. Changes in urination. Pay attention to any changes in your urination habits, such as frequent urination. Your kidneys may be struggling to concentrate urine, leading to frequent trips to the bathroom. Painful urination. This could be a sign of a urinary tract infection, which can also affect the kidneys. Blood in the urine. This is never normal and requires immediate medical attention. Number 5. Foamy urine. Excess protein in the urine can make it appear foamy. This could indicate damage to the filtering units in your kidneys. Number 6. Loss of appetite. Decreased kidney function can lead to a buildup of toxins in the body, which can affect your appetite and cause nausea and vomiting. Number 7. Skin problems. Skin dryness, itching, and discoloration can be signs of kidney problems. This is because they play a crucial role in maintaining electrolyte balance, which is important for healthy skin. Number 8. Metallic taste in your mouth. This, along with bad breath, can be a sign of a buildup of waste products in the body. Number 9. Headaches and difficulty concentrating. Kidney problems can affect blood pressure and lead to headaches, as well as cause cognitive issues. Number 10. Leg cramps. Kidney problems can disrupt electrolyte balance, leading to muscle cramps and spasms, particularly in the legs. Number 11. Anemia. As mentioned earlier, kidney problems can lead to a reduction in red blood cell production, resulting in anemia. This can cause fatigue, dizziness, and shortness of breath. Number 12. High blood pressure. The kidneys play a vital role in regulating blood pressure. When they are not functioning properly, blood pressure can rise, increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke. So, what to do if you experience these symptoms? If you experience any of the above symptoms, it is crucial to consult a doctor immediately. Early detection and intervention can significantly improve the outcome of kidney disease. Now here is some bonus tips to help you prevent kidney problems. While not all kidney problems are preventable, there are several steps you can take to protect your kidneys. Maintain a healthy weight. Obesity puts extra strain on your kidneys. Eat a healthy diet. Limit your intake of salt, processed foods, and red meat. Focus on a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to help flush out toxins. Control your blood pressure and blood sugar. High blood pressure and diabetes are major risk factors for kidney disease. Avoid smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. These habits can damage your kidneys over time. Remember, your kidneys are essential for your health. Paying attention to your body and seeking medical advice when needed can help protect these vital organs. That is all for today's video. Let me know in the comment section if you have someone who was diagnosed with this issue and what is it that has helped them get rid of this issue. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment, and share my channel. I can't grow this channel without your support. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care and adios.